Hi everyone. Today we will show you how to program live remote control in the motor. So this is live 400, 600, all is same motor and same control board. So this is the programming button. When we press this button, so there's nothing will happen. So first of all we have to switch off the main power and then switch on. So it will go to the programming boot. So I will press this button. Now the main power is off from the motor. So I will press again to switch on the power. So there is power now on the display. So first of all we will press this button one time press only. When I press this button, so the light is showing here. This is the channel 1. So we will take the live remote and press the desired button, right side or left side. When I press this button, so this all light will be blink. So it means the programming is done. When I press this button, so all light is blink. So it means this is programming is done. If we want the pedestrian programming like gate open 1 meter only, so we'll press again this button, the same button. So now this is for the pedestrian. If I press the left side button, so now after the gate will open 1 meter only. This is for pedestrian purpose only. So I will press this button again. So all light blink and programming is done now. So now we have two options. We press again this button, so it will go out of the programming, or if we wait 30 seconds, so it will go automatically out of the programming. So I will press this button again. So you can see it is normal mode now. So when I press the remote button, so motor is operating. If I press again, so stop. So this is the remote programming for live 400 kg, 600 kg, slide, swing, all is the same way programming from the motor.